Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to brand video. Today we're going to talk about how you can easily download the Bondee app in any country like United States or anywhere in the world. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, here you can see when I want to download here in my app store on my iPhone. Here you can see it's not available here in my app store, and here in Safari app you can see. From here download, as you can see it's giving the error app not available. This app is currently not available in your country or region. So how to fix this issue and get your Bondee app? So first of all, what you need to do is just here open up your app store, and then from here tap here on your profile icon, and now from here what you need to do is just tap here on your Apple ID profile. And after that what you need to do is just you have to here wait for some seconds, and then from here you have to tap on country or region, and now tap here on change country or region. And from here what you need to do is just carefully you have to select country from here as Singapore. So here it is, Singapore. So tap on this and tap on agree. And from here what you need to do is just you have to select your payment method, like I'm selecting here at none, and then here you have to put your information. You can put fake one as well. So like I'm here selecting as Singapore. And then here what you need to do is just you have to give the postcode for Singapore. So if you don't know about the postcode of Singapore, you can search it on your Safari browsing app or any other browsing app. But I have Singapore postcode here as 546080, and then here you have to give your phone number. You can put fake one as well, and then here tap on next. So it's done, tap on done. So after that what you need to do is just here again search for the Bondee app. Like here you can see it's available right now, so you can download and install from here. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any problem let me know in the comment box. I'll help you more. Thanks for watching.